Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Um, Today I'm gonna be busy, babysitting the dogs because that's my other family member is gonna, do some errands. I don't know, but I hope she comes back later this evening to pick up the dogs so they can so she can barely take the dogs home. So we're gonna be busy all day today. Getting the dogs outside. Needing some their attention for showing love. They they want. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. So all right. Okay, guys. Well, I just wanted to say thank you very much on my behalf, and hope to see you soon. So take care and God bless.